This is the first drive in how many years?
It's been sitting, it was set for 20 something, right?
Yeah, VW Life.
This is pretty good. It'd be better if I would have bought it and did this.
Good morning, everybody.
Morning. Today we
Look at us.
continue work on
This
the
looks like-
63.
Yeah, you know what? This looks like an album cover,
Yeah.
doesn't it? Like, you know,
Metallica.
It
It just makes me think everybody's really excited to work on this car. Like,
If I would have worn a black shirt, I would.
I know. No, you see, it's
Good
kind of
job.
like Abbey Road. We're working on a 63 today, boys.
Yeah, we are.
It's gonna get some glass because it's got a new headliner from our buddy Pablo. What else we gonna do?
Brake master cylinder.
Oh, we need to breathe the
Are we
wiring.
ready for the motor to put?
we got to do wiring.
The motor's in it.
Oh, the motor's in it. We just have to do
Motor's
wiring.
in it.
So anyway, stick with us today, right, Matt Jackson?
That's right. Today we are working on the 63. You guys have been waiting for it. Week 6. Let's put it in the books and get this thing on the road.
Week 6.
Week 6 of a 2-week build.
Oh yeah.
We are cruising.
Man, we are.
Who the hell wanted to put a headliner in this thing?
Oh my gosh.
You! I saw you cut it. There's video
Cut-
proof.
Yeah, cut to the.
Yeah. Show that up here.
Okay, let's get started.
Right.
So we have a little situation.
They left it to me, and that's the problem.
Yeah, so Tommy ordered 63, 65 and later model rubber, so we're not able to do the window seals today, unfortunately. But we have other tests, don't we, Tommy?
But yes, I did mistakenly order the wrong stuff. I got overzealous with my button clicking
At the Wolfsburg West.
at the.
website.
I freak out, man.
She's a real beaut. She's a real beaut, Clark. Oh, did you get a picture of the headliner? How nice it looks.
Oh, all right, so this is what our headliner looks like.
Look at that.
Pablo did a great job.
Hold this up.
Okay.
Oh, look.
All right, we are bench bleeding our master cylinder.
There's a million ways I've heard to do this.
Actually, they probably wasn't even really choosing too much with these little circles.
Yeah, it's probably got enough fluid because they're all going up now.
All right, this is plenty good. You gotta get it over there and take care of it.
Yeah.
All right, I think we're good, and we're gonna go throw it in the car.
Live from inside the 63.
Okay, so there's these little sleeves that sandwich
Yeah.
between the frame.
See?
Yes.
So this is much easier when you're doing it with 2 people. I'm just gonna say, because if 9 times out of 10 these fall down and
Basically, there's these little sleeves right here
Okay.
on the bolts that keep the
the firewall from crushing.
right with the force of the
Yeah.
two bolts.
So, but 9 times out of 10 when you
They fall down into the
Yeah.
body. Yeah, you lose them.
All right.
okay, I got one. This is fun with 2 people. One person is not so much fun, Matt Jackson.
Borderline impossible, I would imagine.
Yeah, I use magnets.
The pieces at the wrong angle, you know?
All right, we got the brake master cylinder all tightened up and ready to go. So we're gonna bleed the brakes soon. I think we're gonna have to raise it up just a bit because it's so low in the front. In the position. All right, ready? Pumping, pumping, pump, hold. Gary is over here replacing or cleaning up the door.
Strikers.
They were covered in white paint.
Yeah, and green paint. Like a lovely shade of,
Forest green.
yeah, metallic.
Oh. The key is now. The key is in the on position.
Up.
Look at the battery. I didn't find down those terminals.
All right, wiggling the battery, boss. Ooh, it sparked. Hold on, it's smoking. Hold on, stop.
What is it?
It's smoking
Where? The battery?
on the battery. Like sparks came out and smoke's coming out of that wire right there.
So I got to figure out the key because it's not giving us any power. We got to probably fix the corrosion on that.
Okay, so we got to fix this wire right here. Well, we got the brakes mostly dialed in, and we got it to almost start.
Well, yeah, we figured out we had wiring, had a little wiring issues, so motors kicked over, sounding good.
Got all the wiring done back here.
Dynamite in.
Super nice. We put all in new looms here and there and everywhere. We fixed the battery, cleaned up poles and everything else.
Yeah, good connection.
But now it's time to accomplish lunch.
Ooh, yeah. Take a seat.
Let's go. Alright, now we're messing with the fuel line. We got the metal fuel line in there and ran to the pump. So now we're connecting it with the hose down here underneath. And Gary should have it hooked up here in a second. We need to get the fuel tank back in there, which is right there.
Yesterday, all my troubles seem so far away. And then Martin came into my life, and there was never fun to be had.
Oh, we got a little bit of debris.
Oh, God.
Okay, so we'll clean this out. Okay, we got a bunch of gunk out of where the screen goes. And now we're running the parts washer through there and just kind of give it a clean out.
Go down a little bit.
Go down. That happened to me underneath there a while ago.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, and I just couldn't see it.
Yep.
You got new master cylinder, new coupler, new reservoir, hose, master cylinder. It looks really good.
Yeah, we got the fuel line, and let's bolt this tank down and see what happens. You got it, Martin? This is the first drive in how many years?
It's been sitting. It was set for 20 something, right? In that storage unit.
90s, early 90s. He's getting the syringe ready, and we will be injecting the carburetor's little hole. Filling the bowl with the hole. All right, this is it.
First start, first drive.
Hopefully that's neutral.
God, it's got a terrible exhaust leak.
Oh my God, are we doing this?
Here we go. Come on, Matt Jackson.
Let's do it.
No seat, no nothing. Hey, we die. Tommy gets everything.
Oh my God.
This is it. Just like this.
Here we go.
Got reverse. I really want to put my hand on this. Got reverse.
Oh my God.
Tommy's the designated survivor.
I'm gonna black it all the way in the street.
Oh my goodness.
Good job cleaning that thing, Matt Jackson.
Yeah, we had a stuck idle jet.
Yeah, that and a choke were jacked up.
Yeah, adjust the choke, clean the idle jet.
Clear this way.
This is it, boys.
Woo! 63.
Oh my God.
We got a steering wheel. Yeah, top of the on. It's safe.
Be careful.
Be careful.
No.
Jesus.
Martin. Ah! Yeah.
good. Might get in a second. Oh yeah! 40 horses up here! Feels good.
It's a little weird. It's so far back.
This is awesome.
Which is the short way?
Just turn right. Hey, here we are, look! The Bearded Wanderer driving the 63. Matt Jackson's riding in the back caboose. I'm very impressed.
Yeah.
Listen to that, it's cruising along. It's a little noisy because it doesn't have pea shooters on it. But no stumble, pulls good, brakes in a straight line, idles, look at that. Very nicely done. So far, so good. This is good.
Nice.
Hey, it started! Yay! We're too far to walk.
God, it's stinking.
All right, well, we made it, guys, and we didn't break down.
Yeah, that's good. Nice!
All right, Martin is disconnecting the battery.
That way it won't get stolen.
It might be a while before we get to it again, so we're gonna throw a tarp on it because we failed in our efforts to get windows in this today because of that mistake with ordering the wrong.
Bad Barry thought it was a 65.
Yeah.
That's right, Barry.
We got too many cars.
Yes. Speaking of which,
Oh god.
we're about to show you guys something over there that is gonna be our next project. Well, we told you guys we were gonna be partnering with Empy,
Yep, we are.
and here is the project.
Da, 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 da.
We are going to build
Whoops.
a Class 11
Doesn't even have a steering wheel.
racer. It looks a little rough,
Oh,
but there's a lot of potential here.
I don't know about that, Matt Jackson. Oh my god. We actually paid money for this? Look at these tires. We got a little problem. It holds air.
So this is a 65 body on an IRS pan, and we're going to build a Class 11 racer, kind of like the
Oh.
KCW guys.
Well, the good news is it's got a front hood handle.
It's going to need some work, no doubt.
We're gonna be racing
Brandon.
next year. We're gonna be running it up there. We're gonna show them how Texas
That's
boys
right.
do it.
That's right.
I got your
Brandon.
Class 11. We're gonna be showing them
Let's
how
show Empy and Blake Wilkie and
Corey and all the boys.
that's
we're-
right,
Hey,
Custom Coach Works.
this is how we roll down here in Texas.
That's
We're
right.
gonna build a Class 11 to kick some ass.
That's right. So stay tuned for this. But for now, we got to go stick it somewhere where it's out of the way.
Leave it there. Just right. But I think you can put a.
Well, good job today, boys.
Yeah, we drove the 63. I hope you guys enjoyed that. That was finally a little light at the end of the tunnel.
Yeah,
Yep.
what do you think, Martin?
It's good.
I mean,
runs good.
Martin took it for it was our test pilot, and we were the crash test dummies. Idled fine, and just little things. The idle, we were chasing that, cleaned out the idle jet, and set the choke. Always just little things like that that could throw you down a road. So check the simple things first, kind of thing. But
So we
brakes
got-
are done.
Yeah, we got brakes. We got electrical, thanks to Tommy. We got the fuel all settled.
Yeah. Wow, that's right.
So I think we need some rear windows and seals and some interior.
Yeah, we'll get seals in and start working on the interior and get close to getting buttoned up, ready to go.
We could start working on the Class 11.
Oh yeah, that's a whole nother ball game. Thank you guys for joining us today. It was a good day. Make sure you tell your aunts, tell your uncles, tell everybody you know about VW Life, because we do this for you guys, the VW community. Work on your Volkswagens, whatever it takes, little bitty things. You know, even when it's hot, you can still do little things.
That's right. We'll see you guys next time.
Thanks, y'all.